Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are in a special community. It is going to be a community that's going to sell out fast, especially for this price point. We are in Humble, Texas at the Bridges on Lake Houston Villas. Now, this community is off of Lake Houston, and the prices of this home that is built by D.R. Horton is starting at $249,000 all the way up to a little bit north of $300,000. This home that we're viewing is called the B22H. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. It is a little over 1,400 square feet, and the starting price is going to be around $276,000. Now, this community, like I said, it is one of the most popular communities in the Humble area off of Lake Houston. And for those prices, D.R. Horton is only going to be selling around 54 homes. And at the time of this recording, they've already sold half of those homes. So this is a hot community. And as you can see, this tour, I normally am in the homes by myself, but this community is so popular and everyone was coming out to show their clients. This home is going to be zoned to Humble ISD. And the schools will be Lakeshore Elementary, Westlake Middle School, and Summer Creek High School. D.R. Horton is known for helping buyers get into homes at a low cost. They do have low earnest money, which is the amount of money you have to put down just to solidify your contract and hold the home. And it's normally less than $1,000. So if you are interested in buying a home, have any other real estate questions, please leave me a comment below or call me directly. And do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new hot communities like this one on a weekly basis. Enjoy the rest of the tour.